If you're thinking about starting a passive income stream, take a look at these 5 strategies and learn what it takes to be successful with each one, as well as the risks involved. 1. Offering information products for sale. Establishing an information product, such as an ebook or an audio or video course, and then kicking back while money rolls in from the sale of your product is a popular strategy for passive income. Sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera can help you distribute and sell your courses. Alternatively, you could use a freemium model, where you build a following by providing free content and then charge for more detailed information or for those who want to learn more. This model could be used by language teachers and stock picking advice, for example. The free content demonstrates your expertise and may entice those looking to advance their careers. Opportunity. Information products can provide a good income stream because they are easy to make money after the initial investment of time. Risk. Creating the product necessitates a significant amount of effort, and it has to be excellent in order to be profitable. Garbage has no place in the world. If you want to be successful, you must build a strong platform, market your products, and plan for more products. Unless you're extremely fortunate, one product does not constitute a business. Creating more excellent products is the best way to sell an existing product. You can generate a good income stream once you master the business model. 2. Rental revenue. Investing in rental properties is a great way to make money while you sleep. However, it frequently necessitates more effort than people anticipate. According to John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary, AIF, in the Los Angeles area and author of The 7% Solution, you can afford a comfortable retirement. But if you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment and then some. Opportunity. Graves recommends deciding on 3 things to earn passive income from rental properties. 1. What kind of return do you want on your investment? 2. The total costs and expenses of the property. 3. The financial risks that come with owning a home. For example, if your goal is to earn $10,000 in rental income per year and the property has a $2,000 monthly mortgage plus $300 in taxes and other expenses, you'll need to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to meet your goal. Risk. There are a few things to think about when it comes to risk. Is there a demand for your home? What if you have a tenant who doesn't pay on time or causes damage to the property? What if you can't find a tenant for your property? Any of these factors has the potential to significantly reduce your passive income. In addition, the pandemic has presented new challenges. Due to the economic downturn, you may find yourself with tenants who are unable to pay their rent, even if you still have a mortgage to pay. Alternatively, as incomes decline, you may not be able to rent your home for as much as you could previously. As a result, you should weigh these risks and prepare contingency plans to protect yourself. 3. Affiliate marketing. Website owners, social media influencers, and bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third-party product by including a link to the product on their website or social media account. Although Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner, other big names include eBay, Awin, and ShareASale. Instagram and TikTok, in particular, have grown in popularity among those looking to build a following and promote their products. You could also consider building an email list to help people find your blog or to direct them to products and services they may be interested in. The site owner earns a commission when a visitor clicks on the link and purchases something from the third-party affiliate. The commission could be anywhere from 3% to 7%, so you'll need a lot of visitors to your site to make any money. However, if you can increase your audience or find a more lucrative niche such as software, financial services, or fitness, you can make a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is regarded as passive because in theory, you can make money by simply adding a link to your website or social media account. In reality, if you can't get visitors to your site to click on the link and buy something, you won't make any money. Risk. If you're just getting started, it'll take some time to create content and generate traffic. Building a following can take a long time, and you'll need to figure out the right formula for attracting that audience, which can take a long time. Worse, once you've expended all that energy, your audience may abandon you in favor of the next big influencer, trend, or social media platform. 4. Flip retail items. Make use of online marketplaces like eBay or Amazon to sell items that you've found at a discount elsewhere. Opportunity. You'll be able to arbitrage the difference between your purchase and sale prices, and you might even be able to build a following of people who follow your deals. You'll have the opportunity to profit from price differences between what you can find and what the average consumer can find. This could be especially beneficial if you have a contact who can assist you in obtaining discounted merchandise that only a few other people will have access to. Alternatively, you might be able to locate valuable items that others have overlooked. Risk. While online sales can occur at any time, making this strategy passive, you'll have to work hard to find a reliable source of products. You'll also need to be well versed in the market to avoid paying too much for something. Otherwise, you might end up with products that no one wants or that require a significant price reduction to sell. 5. Peer-to-peer lending, P2P. A peer-to-peer P2P loan is a personal loan facilitated by a third-party intermediary, such as Prosper or Lending Club, between you and a borrower. Funding Circle, which targets businesses and has higher borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risk, are two other players. As a lender, you earn money by charging interest on the loans you make. However, because the loan is unsecured, you run the risk of defaulting and losing everything. You must do two things to reduce the risk. 1. Invest small amounts over a number of loans to diversify your lending portfolio. The minimum investment per loan at Prosper.com or Lending Club is $25. 2. Analyze historical data on potential borrowers to make educated decisions. Risk. Mastering the metrics of P2P lending takes time, so it's not entirely passive. You'll want to carefully vet your prospective borrowers, and because you're investing in multiple loans, you'll need to keep track of payments received. If you want to increase your income, you should reinvest any interest you earn. High-yielding personal loans are more likely to default during economic downturns. So if COVID-19 continues to harm the economy, these loans may default at higher rates than in the past.